I'm gonna get your butt! Alright! Justin, I got his legs! There, now you're stuck like that.
Listen, Bubbles.
Oh God! Climbing the mountain there?
No! I want my Cassie back.
I want my Justin! Oh God. Oh God. He was clinging to me. I'm in between his feet. Oh God. I'm so scared. I feel violent.
It farted.
Oh man, let go of me. Oh, you want to know the funny thing? The viewers have like absolutely no idea what's going on right now. Whoa.
How much?
Whoa, that felt really weird.
How much?
Oh God.
Alright, come on.
You guys are like all piled up on my butt. What's the dealio?
Get off her butt!
Get off my butt, you pervs. Get off my butt. Let go of my shirt. Don't shake it.
Her. Would you stop it?
Heck yeah.
Ow! Stop putting your hands all over her. I think they can actually see now.
Wow.
That's surprising.
It's a victory well earned, I guess. Alright.
Stop touching her butt.
Stop it. It's my
Rude.
butt. Ow.
Knock it
Ah.
off. Stinky.
Stinky butt. Hey, you were the one that said that he farted. Hey. Oh God.
You bring my
Oh God.
You just got kicked in the chest and the tummy. A butt.
That's what I call a butt face.
Is everyone okay? Kissy. Oh no!
Oh no, you don't.
No! Jared! Stop. Be chill. Okay? Can we do that? Be chill? Is that cool?
I think we should do that.
Yeah, let's be chill.
Be chill.
Okay.
Oh God, his hands on my butt again. Oh God. You will not hurt my Justin.
No!
You're gonna fall off the table. You're gonna fall into the table if you don't knock it off. And I'm not gonna catch you. Get over here, you know. Okay, stop. Stop.
Okay, we just need
No,
to chill.
if you just stop, sit correctly.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
I will rape
He already did.
Ew. Jake's not gonna be so happy about that.
Why? Because
Because he raped me.
it's his job.
Oh. And it's not rape if you want it, FYI. Stop it. And it's not rape if you yell surprise.
Why? Surprise!